Today is Friday, February 5th, 2021. I have missed a total of 5 episodes. I took a nice R&R, rest and relaxation period, and not having these vlogs planned out very well. Like I would usually just record the same day, upload the same day, and publish it the same day. And with this nice 2-week rest and relaxation period that I took off, I realized that I was not able to get you guys content. My apologies, and I'm going to start working on pre-recording. So instead of my release schedule will still be Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7:30 p.m. But instead of recording the same day, you're going to be watching this on Tuesday, but I recorded this today, Friday, February 5th, 2021. When I left 5 episodes ago, I was going to continue teaching you the Nikyo movement. Today's going to be a very short video. I'm going to teach you the movement of the attack. We did 5 episodes ago. We did Nikyo, we did 100 strikes, paired practice, and we just did that first initial movement. There's 2 more moves that I'm going to teach you, the attack side, then the technique side, which is the person attacking, the person doing the technique or defending. So today I'm going to focus on the attack side. I will teach you that simple movement. This will be scheduled for Tuesday, so you'll get this when you're watching this today, but it's not today, it's actually Friday when I'm filming this today, but Tuesday. Anyways, that's a bit confusing for me. I enjoyed filming the same day and uploading the same day and publishing the same day because it was easy for me to keep track of. And I love just starting off with the date. It helps me remember when I filmed this. So when I go back and watch these 10 years from now, I'll say, man, I really sucked. Boy, that was terrible of me. That technique looked bad. I've improved so much. Because remember, every day, every strike, every technique, every hour of practice that we put into this, we become better. No matter how good you are, you can always get better. So let's check out Nikyo, the attack. I will show that to you right now. Okay guys, I am ready to show you this movement. I'm going to show you the attack today. The audio is not going to sound that good today because I gave my wireless lapel to my sister. My sister's got a YouTube channel out there. It is about laughter, yoga, and healing. She's an acupuncturist. I've done a few videos for her, so please check out her channel. Laughter is an amazing part of healing and just inserting joy into your life. If you spend 15 minutes focusing on laughing, you will have a very positive, good day. I've done it several times. I love it, and my sister is really good at it. I'm going to show you this move. I'm going to turn away from you because the attack is on the other side. We learned this last week. Okay, so start here and go up, back, like this. Yeah. Okay, now step forward and strike. Here, right? So we stop here. Now, you push up with this hand, push your right foot forward like that, and push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. No. This way, right here, like that. Then step forward. Okay, and then turn your hips, 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 and step back. There. Okay?
So I have to move, you don't have to move?
We're both moving. So you come up, you strike Shomen, you push up, step forward, you turn around, you strike Shomen back down, you lift up, you strike down to the knee, so you're cutting right into this part of the knee on your partner here, and then you're churning this blade up, following the sword, and going into a tsuki. Okay, let me show you from on this plane here. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to go back up, I'm going to strike Shomen, I'm going to push this up and go down. Kind of like a dance with my partner, and I'm turning around, I'm striking down Shomen, I'm lifting up, I'm the attacker, I strike down to the knee, I follow the sword up, and I tsuki. And that is the whole movement. Okay, so practice that on your own. We're not doing 100 strikes together today. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things after my 5 episodes of rest and relaxation. So we'll do 100 strikes together in the future episodes, but practice that on your own. Do it 100 times, and just remember, after 10,000 strikes, you're going to become an expert of this move. So do this daily, do 100 strikes a day, and it gets you closer and closer to becoming an expert at this move. On Thursday, I will show you the move of the technique or the defense, right? Today was the attack, the offense. On Thursday, I'll show you the defense. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up. hit that notification bell, leave a comment below, and I will see you on Thursday.